last year, about 39% of the cases were some version of unanimous. By that I mean sometimes the justices entirely agreed just on the outcome, couldn't agree on the reasoning. Sometimes they entirely agree on the outcome and the reasoning. See, only 26% of the cases they were in total agreement. And so it's clearly a divided court in many ways. Even when they agree, they don't really agree. Right? So you have the liberal justices who themselves don't tend to agree, and the conservative justices within themselves don't tend to agree. And so of all the courts, this one has the broadest diversity within the ideology and one of the widest swings from right to left, or conservative to liberal.
The Supreme Court takes this to try to decide whether or not the states can indeed can require an internet company has a physical presence in the state to pay taxes. Now, there's 50 years of precedent behind this rule. The most recent case that dealt with it was in 1992, but it goes back about 50 years. Lo and behold, the United States Supreme Court decided to overrule the line of cases, including the Quill case, and decided that indeed the states could collect taxes from internet retailers. Justice Ginsburg weighed in with the conservative majority in this case, and it was actually Justice Roberts who led Sotomayor, Breyer, and Kagan, 3 liberal justices, in dissenting in this case. So this is a little bit of a forecast of what we might be seeing from Roberts, who may indeed take up Kennedy's post as the swing vote in many cases.
The court is ideologically divided in significant ways since the mid-'80s, particularly from 1995 on. It's hard to get 4 justices who are willing to take a risk on a case right now unless they know for sure what the outcome's going to be.